Okay, I'm going to move this out of the way. Kind of did a little bit of an inspection of sorts. What we have is all these barrels where they have been ran dry, and very interesting results. I like the results, but it ended up turning into buildup. But it still polished the high spots. So what I'm going to have to do is carve up some ivory soap. So I get, I don't know, it's like 4 of these at a time, case or box or whatever you want to call it. You have to apologize for the cows in the background, not my cows. Here's the ivory soap. Please pay attention, the secret ingredient to burnishing. So, take my grandfather's trusty knife, carve some ivory soap, just like so. I'm going to leave all of the residue on there, obviously, because this is going to burnish and remove some of it. So like that one was about, well, whatever that was, quite a bit in that tumbler barrel. Put some in here. And it'll break itself down and disintegrate pretty good. That's what, you can feel how smooth this is though. So we have all the different tumbler barrels that I'm going to put ivory soap in, and the big one here. What I'm going to do though, because I don't want it to be too rough. Let's see, I'll add a little bit more here. So my grandfather used to always practice carving, teaching people how to carve with soap. So, put that aside. I'm going to add water. I'm not going to add that much. What I am going to add, though, let me check something real quick. Yeah. I'm going to add, I'm not totally sure, but I'm going to stay with the formula. That's to add pumice, the perlite. And it's annoying, it'll float, and it's in there. That's what it does, but that'll keep the stones from banging into each other too much. At least that's the theory, that's the idea. So, I put my cap on. That has the wax around the edge. Seal it with the wood vise. If I can get it to... Okay. There we go. And the next one over here. It's the same thing. I want to incorporate some perlite to keep it from banging too much. I want to basically just get in and, the whole idea is to polish this stuff. I have to soak that one, probably. Put a little bit of soap on it. That is the problem with the lids, is they have to be like pre-sealed. And then when it leaks, you're going to hope that the leak seals itself. So they can be a little problematic. That's what I've got. That's why I needed a new lid, so I kind of made one with this. I have to seal that one. Now this one's a lot easier. What I have is a tumbler barrel and then a cap, an end cap to a piece of pipe, this rubber. What is this? Yeah, it's just one of those rubber caps that you can buy. Put it on there. Simple as that. And then I wrap it and it seals itself. So, water like that. Add the perlite to the left. Add a little bit more water. There we go. That probably won't seal, but if I wrap it enough, maybe it will. So yeah, I'm going to rerun these for probably another month. It's like just a non-stop thing, and I'll keep running them and looking at them. So I'll make a few more videos, but this time I just wanted to run it and try to get a good amount of time on it to see if it makes any changes. But it's interesting, the dry burnishing, and I don't, like I said, I don't know if it works better in an area with less humidity, which might be the case. If you're like in Arizona or something, it'd probably work better. But out here, there's probably so much moisture in the air and on the rocks and everything that it's caused that sticking to happen. Because I filled it like all the way up with powder, and it's completely stuck to everything and coated it. So, kind of interesting results. But I'm going to continue the process in the next week or two.